want us to demonstrate something. Just put your hand here. One hand. This one. Okay. What happened? What happened?
I felt pain.
How did you feel pain?
You pinched me.
So what happened after I pinched you?
Okay. That's what.
Okay, he didn't like it. Thank you. The demonstration is about the flow of information. The speed of how that information is relayed through the system. Mbugua, as a human being, is a system. So when I pinched him, he felt the pain. The pain was not localized at the hand. It was transmitted to the brain. Then Mbugua basically processed that information. He made a user decision not to remove his hand from the table. But of course, he also decided to give me a feedback that he felt pain. So it's about how information will flow and the speed with which it will flow across our systems. When I inflicted the pain on Mbugwa's arm, he did not procrastinate whether that needs to be transmitted to the brain, which for this case I'll refer to as his server, and being processed to register pain, for which he should have made a user decision to remove his hand or to continue putting it there and continue suffering the pain. So when we have a system, it will all depend on how basically we manage the information flow from wherever. I think Pauline talked about the market. We process that through the system. It pulls material from the suppliers. We process it through the system. We take it to the market with appropriate documentation and accountability. That needs shop floor discipline. When I pinched him, he did not procrastinate to say that now he's going to register that pain after 3 hours. So when you are executing a process, you will not procrastinate to say that, okay, fine, I have produced this now, I will post it tomorrow. Then the whole purpose for an integrated system shall have been defeated. So whatever will be done shall be done at that time, during that moment when you are executing the process. If it is releasing a production order, you are not going to put it in the system and then say that I'll print it out tomorrow. If you have produced the goods, you are not going to keep them there and then say that I will confirm the execution tomorrow. It is there and then. If you don't carry yourself with the necessary discipline on the shop floor or on the workplaces, then you'll not be getting the advantage of the super system we are talking about that we are implementing. I heard your pain and you are happy that Solomon is over. But if we go back to SAP S4HANA with the same lethargy that we are operating in Solomon, I'm sorry. So do we agree that yes, with the zeal with which we have basically designed, we are going to operationalize it to give us the desired efficiencies that we are talking about. Yes or no, SBS? Yes or no, hands up. There is a problem, Bana Project Manager. There is a problem, and we need to address that problem. Is it that it's so difficult? Is it that it's so scary? Is it that it's a bit complicated? What is the problem? Pauline, I will again invite your excitement, and I think when you go down there, I know the weather is a bit ish, but if you have to warm them up, okay, fine. We have to see how to plug them up so that they become excited. I'll repeat. It's discipline to ensure that whatever you post into the system is accurate enough so that that information flows to the correct places and the product also flows in accordance with the information. Thank you.